You see blue delta, that means aggressive buyers are present, right? 10 minutes to 15 minutes is what you need to focus attention to understand who is in control between buyers and sellers. The yellow box, right? We want traders to focus on the yellow box, and I am going to show traders exactly what was going on inside of that yellow box. And so let's kind of look over here. So here we have the same charts, right? This is the 1 minute, this is the 5 minute, right? You can just trade off the 5 minute, and I want traders to understand this, right? Look at how price was behaving inside of the fair value gap, right? I want traders to understand and focus on this. Again, we have blue delta, similar to the high of the day. We have blue delta. We have significant blue delta. You see blue delta, that means aggressive buyers are present, right? You can see that the right number is greater than the left number. That means that there's more aggressive buyers than there are aggressive sellers. And so I want you to ask yourself, in this region, if aggressive buyers were present, right? So if these aggressive buyers in this region are failing, what does that tell you about this zone, right? What does the order flow from the footprint charts tell you about this zone, right? And so if the ask is a lot greater than the bid, that means that there's more aggressive buyers. Now, if these aggressive buyers do not break above the level, right? And you see this, it's basically showing you an absorption, right? An absorption of buyers, right? So buyers are being absorbed. Therefore, passive sellers are present, right? So the number on the right may be bigger than the left, but that doesn't mean there's more buyers and sellers. That means there's more aggressive buyers and sellers. So what we need to understand is that there's passive sellers. It's passive sellers that drive the market down, not anything else, not a liquidity sweep or a fair value gap or anything like that. It's simply the passive buyers that are driving price down. So huge blue delta, blue delta, blue delta, and blue delta before the market eventually sold off like this. When you see blue delta with no reward, it means that the ask is greater than the bid. There's an absorption of buyers, which means that passive sellers are present, and it's passive sellers that actually create a supply area or a resistance area that drive price down. And so this is the most important thing I want traders to understand, right? With this overall case study, right? Yes, order flow is important and you need order flow, but order flow is very important with ICT concepts, right? So the ICT side of things is quite simple. Here's the New York midnight opening price.